How to fix game crashes in Windows 10. If the issue still persists, you might want to consider disabling your antivirus as a temporary fix. In last case scenario, you might have to uninstall your antivirus and check if that solves the problem. Many users reported issues with AVG antivirus, but other antivirus tools can also cause this problem to occur. Sometimes switching to a different antivirus software can fix the problem, and if you're looking for a new antivirus, you might want to check Bitdefender, BullGuard or Panda Antivirus. All these tools offer great security features, and all of them support gaming mode, so they won't interfere with your games in any way. If this is a Windows 10 issue, it's always good to keep your Windows 10 up to date. This seems like a major problem, so it's most likely that Microsoft will fix this issue with a next Windows 10 update. If your drivers are updated as well as your Windows 10, in most cases that's enough to fix any game crashes. If the problem persists, it will probably be fixed with newest Windows 10 update. As you probably know, most games can be run in windowed or full-screen mode, and if you experience crashes with your games on Windows 10, it doesn't hurt to try running them in windowed mode. To do this, you need to go to Video Settings in your game and find the option to run it in window mode. Many games come with an application that allows you to set display settings before running the game, so you can try using them as well if you can't start your game. Many users reported that games crash on their PC, and sometimes this problem can be caused by your hardware. According to users, a faulty memory module can cause this issue to appear, so be sure to check your memory. The simplest way to do that is to remove all but one memory sticks from your PC and check if the problem occurs. If you want to perform a detailed check, you might want to use Memtest 86+. Simply download this tool, create a bootable drive and boot your PC from it. Now run the scan for an hour or so in order to scan your RAM. Keep in mind that you'll need to scan each memory stick individually with Memtest 86+ for an hour or so in order to find the faulty module, so this method can take a while. After finding the faulty module, remove it or replace it and the issue should be resolved. Now check if the problem is resolved. If the issue still persists, you might want to consider disabling Windows Defender. To do that, just follow these steps. Windows Defender is a built-in security solution on Windows 10, and if you don't have a third-party antivirus installed, Windows Defender will act as antivirus software. Although Windows Defender is a solid application in terms of security, sometimes it can interfere with your games. If games crash on Windows 10, you might want to try adding a games directory to the exclusion list in Windows Defender.